Green beans is one such vegetable which is either loved immensely or hated like anything. If you love green beans, you will adore this recipe. But if you hate and don't like green beans, trust me, you have to try this recipe. This is called as green beans Poriyal in southern parts of India and is absolutely delicious. I've taken 250 grams or approximately 9 ounces of green beans. Now chop off its top and the bottom ends. So I'm talking about these two ends. Simply cut and discard them. Then wash them properly under running water. Once they are nice and clean, start chopping them into small bites like this. Now if you like to chop them slightly bigger, that's absolutely your choice. Even if you want to do the whole thing like the traditional garlic bean style or so, go ahead and keep it however you like. But I would recommend, especially for this Poriyal recipe, please chop them like this for that exact and authentic taste. Alright, now take 2 teaspoons of oil. Once heated, add 4-5 chopped garlic cloves. Let them slightly change the color. Then add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. These are actually chickpea lentils. You can skip it if you don't have. Add 2 dry red chilies. Then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. These are also known as rye. Then add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for a couple of minutes until they turn translucent or slightly pinkish. Then add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Saute everything for a couple of minutes. Then add all the chopped green beans here. Add salt as per your taste. Mix everything together. I'm also adding 1.5 teaspoons of chopped green chilies here. Mix everything and then simmer the gas or lower down the heat or flame. Place the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. In between, like after 5 minutes, open the lid and stir the vegetable once so that nothing burns out. Then again place the lid and wait for 5 more minutes. Alright, so now it's been a total of around 12 minutes and see our green beans are nicely cooked. They don't take much time. Now add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves followed by 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and in the last add 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. This coconut gives such an amazing flavor and texture to this beans recipe that I can't tell you in words. You will have to try the recipe yourself to know the richness. So that's it guys, our green beans poriyal is absolutely ready. So take it out in a bowl and enjoy with some steamed rice, roti, paratha, anything you like. Well, this is also an amazing lunch and dinner recipe for weight loss. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.